Yamaha outboards are purpose-built, designed top to prop to provide perfect power for specific applications. For big water, there are big block V6 and V8 offshore models. For tackling bass, VMAX SHO continues to be a game changer. Mid-ranges take on the light loads in skinny water. And for go-anywhere power, portables carry their weight and more. But what if the purpose for the power is everything else? That's exactly what the Yamaha lineup of inline fours is for. Near universal versatility in a variety of next-generation lightweight, smart, and streamlined four-cylinder power plants. They perform impressively on pontoons, bay boats, fishing skis, flats, and deep V hulls. Freshwater or in the salt, there's a Yamaha Inline 4 ready for duty. The Yamaha Inline 4 lineup is led by the recently introduced flagship F200 and continues its versatile four-cylinder power in a new 175-horse model, along with one of the best-selling outboards in Yamaha's history, the Yamaha F115. Now, Yamaha is enhancing the Inline 4 power portfolio with an all-new redesigned next-generation F115. This all-new design introduces significant improvements in 5 key categories: size, weight, performance, economy, and value. At just 377 pounds, it's the lightest 4-stroke 115 horsepower outboard available. It's 24 pounds lighter than Yamaha's original I-4 115, making this the perfect power solution for dozens of applications, especially when it comes to shallow water and technical poling skiffs, where every pound counts. F115 performance starts with a bore increase, displacing 1.8 liters. Dimpled cylinder sleeves help reduce weight and disperse heat for added reliability. An all-new higher compression power head tops it all off, while the double overhead cam design pushes 4 oversized valves per cylinder for deep breathing, power, and mid-range torque. A big 60mm throttle body, long intake tracks, and a new free-flow exhaust manifold makes air in, exhaust out super efficient. The result? Terrific acceleration and a 0 to 200-foot time noticeably faster than its predecessor. New to the F115 is an alternator that delivers more power, 35 amps at wide-open throttle, and 28 at 1,000 RPM to handle the power requirements for a wide array of today's sophisticated electronics. On the smooth and quiet side, the F115 couples its new free-flow labyrinth exhaust system with vibration-absorbing, oversized rubber engine mounts and harmonized inertial mass components for amazing engine balance. On the bottom end, Yamaha's shift dampening system is featured in propellers designed specifically for this outboard, matching performance with smooth, quiet operation. Now, add convenience to the F115 mix, like all that performance running on 87-octane regular gas. Yamaha's variable trolling RPM feature, and is compatible with a variety of Yamaha gauges, rigging, and hardware. And living up to Yamaha's reputation for unsurpassed reliability, the F115 features the exclusive Phase 5 paint system. Aluminum parts get a permanently bonded surface treatment of phosphoric acid zirconia. Powerhead and exhaust components receive an electrodeposited paint process. Total immersion in paint and an electrostatic charge causes the paint to bond to every nook and cranny of the metal. And outside, all external surfaces are epoxy color-coded and finished with a durable acrylic top coat. Other unique features include a lightweight, compact, single-piston power trim and tilt bracket, and a new top cowling design that takes air in from the side, combining a great new look with superior air-water separation. Along with the F200, the new F115 makes repower easy. It's compatible with Yamaha mechanical controls and features the same mounting centers and bolt pattern as many other outboards, so upgrading from 2-stroke to 4-stroke is easy and economical. Across the inline 4-cylinder lineup, the design imperative is maximum power in minimal space. Yamaha took the wide out, so these slim inline 4-cylinder 4-strokes are ideal for running as singles or in pairs on narrow-beamed boats. Yamaha inline four-strokes are popular because of their lightweight designs, incredible acceleration and mid-range punch, their outstanding fuel economy and amazing versatility, not to mention their legendary Yamaha reliability. You know a good time when you drive one. That's the pure confidence of owning a Yamaha inline four-cylinder.